se kaunti ya Kisii awase abateneneri korwase kiombe ye kwegerera egekoro kyomogusi kya Mwanyagetinge Heritange Council korwase chinsagya chonsi 15 nemo alitkoria rero babakonyora amaigerio korwase kiombe kya Fida Kenya chinchira bubwenete kobwatia ase ogokonya kwegerera obwene bwabasibati nabo igo abana bali babeire bakunererwa nabo igo chinchira chokugayana ebina ebike ase chinsemo au no muyegobo go kwariganiwa imeyo mu Kibosongo no muri kyo Mildred Momanye na ikira naroro Ekiombe gya Fida Kenya ekyokemenyekanite buna Federation of Women Lawyers in Kenya ni gobono bakora egeikaro asogosemia abateneri ba Mwanyagetinge Heritage Council bari bonsi batenete chinsagya chonsi 10 ime ya Gusii buna barachi ekurwanira obosibole bwegesa kukyoma Gusii anene mono kurwanira obo ene bokunererwa kwomba subati amona abana bakebuna omoteneri akoerera
abantu baito ba Fida ngo bacha gotosira na gotosemi na kitubwenete ko kubwatera na buno mu Gusii okonyegesa kugyeito ekiagera buna Mwanyagetinge intu na abana ba begetinga umongino orientingana naende nabaro bungurwandira bari ubusibole bw'umongino ori mu Gusii entingana na abana baye intu na abana ba Mwanyagetinge na kikiyatoretaga seritukolia rero abantu bonsi bachaga kuru chinsagi chionsi chia Kisii County bali batenete keroro sagia Rwech sub county cheito 11 chia Kisii.
Because we understand and we even get that Kisii County is also one of the places where women have gotten justice issues, and they are every other time seeking justice on matters, succession matters, on matters on child defilement, on matters of widow eviction, on matters of like where women are killed, wife eviction. We have issues like femicide, and we want to sensitize the members on this so that they help us in the communities to be able to help women to get justice and to teach the community on the importance of helping them, on the importance of living a society that ensures there's justice for everybody.
Ni gobono omoteneri kurwa Fida Kenya atebire ebikole byokunererwa ni gobire asobonge nabange mbali konyora ibagali ogwaka oroboti asebono atebire omubaro bwabali abagwaka oroboti oru.
But the truth is that the number of women we get that are seeking justice are so many, and I can say every other week at the Fida Kenya office in Kisumu, we get about 80 clients having many issues. So you can imagine how many in the grassroots are not getting justice.
Bali abanyora obosemia ni gobagokera omurubulyo yo asebatebire bono bamanyire ebitambukero biryo bibwenete kubwatwa ase okonyora oboene bwabo.
Abangina alinka ni gobwato obokong kwanyora omwana obere raped. Umongino ituru no mugakoye obangina babere divorced umongino divorce no mugakoye mbabwati asibakwenda ku report mbabwati process bagochaka lakini bono litkolia lero twabwatira ni muna Mwanyagetinge na bamtu wa Fida komanya chi process na igo chigo produce enchere ndonge gwetera se lichiko lito lya Kenya.
Ase tinga kecho ni gobagania bali bonsi bakonererwa gwaka oroboti uchiase egetaseni kende yonsi kere angena barabo uchakira ase abachibu bwababonde bwensi botayo eliokonyora obo ene bwabo
inchu ase tole buna Mwanyagetinge tobaorokie njira igoro munwa abangina mukwane kiagera twabarete Fida buna Mwanyagetinge Heritage Council.
So I want to encourage women, I want to encourage the community at the grassroots. Can you seek justice? Go to the chief, go to anybody. Don't just sit, go to the hospitals, and through that you'll get referred. And if you can come to Fida, you can also come to Fida. We don't work in a vacuum. We work with many other bodies.
Ancha mosokia amangana ino motebe kerekene ege kogera ntubwate Fida eyeta chikunyara kobage gusabesa chinde chionsi.
Ngolipotelia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV elitaliane Mildred Momanye.